Hello everyone, this is Science Vines and you're watching the audiovisual chapter of Class 11th Biology. This is the fourth part of the chapter 5 Morphology of Flowering Plants. We are starting off with a semi-technical description of a typical flowering plant. Various morphological features are used to describe a flowering plant. The description has to be brief, in a simple and a scientific language, and presented in a proper sequence. The plant is described beginning with its habit, vegetative characters, root, stem, leaves, and then floral characters, inflorescence, and flower parts. After describing various parts of a plant, a floral diagram and a floral formula are presented. The floral formula is represented by some symbols. In the floral formula, BR stands for bracteate, K stands for calyx, C stands for corolla, P stands for perianth, and A stands for androecium, G for gynoecium. Space or the hyphen under the G for superior ovary, hyphen over the G for inferior ovary. This sign for the male and this sign for the female and this sign for the bisexual plants. The plus sign in a circle for actinomorphic and a percentage sign for a zygomorphic nature of a flower. Fusion is indicated by enclosing the figure within bracket and addition by a line drawn above the symbols of a floral parts. A floral diagram provides information about the number of parts of a flower, their arrangement and the relation they have with one another. Figure 5.20. The position of the mother axis with respect to the flower is represented by a dot on the top of a floral diagram. See, just like this. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are drawn in successive holes. Calyx being the outermost and the gynoecium being in the center. Floral formula also shows cohesion and adhesion within the parts of a hole and between holes. The floral diagram and floral formula in figure 5.20 represents the mustard plant family Brassicaceae. So the floral formula and the floral diagram here represents the Brassicaceae family or the mustard family. Now description of some important families. First is Fabaceae. The family was earlier called Papilionaceae, a subfamily of family Leguminosae. It is distributed all over the world. Vegetative characters: trees, shrubs, herbs, root with root nodules. Stem erect or climber. Leaves alternate, pinnately compound or simple. Leaf base pulvinate, stipulate, venation reticulate. Floral characters: inflorescence is racemose, flower is bisexual and zygomorphic, calyx, sepals 5, chemosepalous, valvate or imbricate aestivation, corolla, petals 5, polypetalous, papilionaceous, consisting of a posterior standard, two lateral wings, two anterior ones forming a keel enclosing stamens and pistils, vexillary aestivation. Androecium 10, diadelphous, anther diathecus. Gynoecium ovary superior, monocarpellary, unilocular with many ovules, style single. Fruit, legume, seed, one to many, non-endospermic. Floral formula is percentage or zygomorphic, you can say zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx are 5, corolla are 1 plus 2 plus 2, A is 9 plus 1 and gynoecium is single and superior. Economic importance. Many plants belonging to the family are sources of pulses. Gram, arhar, same, moong, soybean. Edible oil, soybean and groundnut. Dye, indigofera. Fibers, sun hemp. Fodder, Sesbania trifolium. Ornamentals, lupin, sweet pea, medicine, moletti. Solanaceae. It is a large family, commonly called as the potato family. It is widely distributed in tropics, subtropics, and even temperate zones. Vegetative characters. Plants mostly herbs, shrubs, and rarely small trees. Stem herbaceous, rarely woody, aerial, erect, cylindrical, branched, solid or hollow, hairy or glabrous, underground stem in potato, Solanum tuberosum. Leaves are alternate, simple, rarely pinnately compound, exstipulate, venation reticulate. Floral characters. Inflorescence is solitary, axillary, or cymose as in Solanum. Flower is bisexual and actinomorphic. Calyx sepals 5. United persistent valvate estivation. Corolla petals 5. United valvate estivation. Androecium stamens 5. Epipetalous. Gynoecium bicarpellary obligately placed. Syncarpus ovary superior. Bilocular. Placenta swollen with many ovules. Exile. Fruits berry or capsule. Seeds many or endospermous. Floral formula is actinomorphic, bisexual. Calyx is 5, corolla 5, androecium 5, gynoecium is superior and 2. Economic importance. Many plants belonging to this family are source of food. Tomato, brinjal, potato. Spice, chili. Medicine, belladonna, ashwagandha. Fumigatory, tobacco. Ornamentals, petunia. Liliaceae, commonly called the lily family, is a characteristic representative of monocotyledonous plants. It is distributed worldwide. Vegetative characters: perennial herbs with underground bulbs, corms, and rhizomes. Leaves mostly basal, alternate, linear, exstipulate with parallel venation. Floral characters: solitary, cymose, often umbellate clusters. Flower bisexual, actinomorphic, tepals 6, 3 plus 3, often united into tube. Valvate estivation. Androecium stamen 6, 3 plus 3, epipetalous. Gynoecium tricarpellary, syncarpus ovary superior, trilocular with many ovules, exile presentation. Fruit is capsule and rarely berry. Seed is endospermous. Floral formula is bractate, actinomorphic, bisexual. Perianth is 3 plus 3, androecium 3 plus 3, gynoecium 3. Economic importance. Many plants belonging to this family are good ornamentals. Tulip gloriosa, source of medicine aloe, vegetables asparagus, and colchicine is Colchicum autumnale. Here comes, okay, there are some other examples as well. Allium cepa, onion plant. Okay, here comes the end to the fourth part of the chapter 5, morphology of flowering plants. To watch more such videos, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. And if you want us to create more such videos on any other book or subject, do mention in the comment section. Like and share the video to keep us motivated to create such content. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Love love.